Boresha Africa Agribusiness, in short Boresha Agribiz, is a startup that was created in the agriculture space to support and complement the efforts of both the government and the private sector in ensuring many jobless youths in Kenya and beyond embrace and practice agriculture as a business, thereby earning a stable income and thus becoming financially independent, hence contributing positively to the country's economic growth. 2. Kenya being over 70% reliant on agriculture, Boresha Agribiz endeavors to demystify farming as an occupation and encourage more people, especially the youth, to practice agriculture not only for consumption but also as a business, thereby increasing food security in Kenya. 3. Knowledge gaps in very many agribusiness ventures are covered, leveraging on technology and internet penetration and access to create and deliver practical training, thus ensuring many farmers and agribusiness entrepreneurs can access it so they can follow the right agricultural practices for maximum yield and attain value for their investments. Boresha Agribiz has ensured that these objectives are achieved by 1. Developing an e-learning platform where interested agripreneurs can create an account and register to access different agribusiness practical trainings in different ventures that is developed by hands-on experts both in crops and animals. These courses and trainings are simplified with limited technical languages to ensure as many current and prospect farmers as possible can understand and utilize the content and apply them in their respective ventures. The e-learning platform has been customized to be compatible both to the computers and phones. 2. Connecting farmers and producers to the consumers using the marketplace platform. The farmers can place their produce on BAAS marketplace platform and the same can be accessed by consumers, thereby expanding the marketplace over and above physical markets. This will extend the market horizons for the farmers and ensure the consumers access the produce at an affordable price due to elimination of the middlemen. 3. Professional management of agribusiness ventures using our trained and on-board agricultural experts on behalf of the investing farmers and agribusinessmen who may want to outsource the management of their farms. This is done to ensure the risk level is lowered due to running of such ventures following best practices and also by insuring such ventures with renowned insurance companies. The Boresha Agribiz value proposition is 1. Our content is data-driven, meaning we collect data to the areas our clients informs us, and there is always feedback platforms on areas of improvements and expectations. 2. Boresha courses and trainings are practical-oriented and very simplified, developed by hands-on agricultural experts who are always on our platform, ready to help out those who sign up. 3. The courses are designed to allow follow-ups by the course instructor to ensure the content is applied in ensuring maximum yield. 4. The content can be accessed using the computers and Android phones, which a majority of the people have, and offline using the Boresha app once downloaded. 5. There are always standby customer care executives to help and guide the clients throughout the process. 6. There are community forums within the platform where peers in different farming ventures can engage each other to share experiences. 7. Our payment system is smooth using both M-Pesa and card system. We take this opportunity to welcome all on board and hope that our services will be of great value to your agribusiness ventures. You can find us on Facebook, Boresha Africa Agribusiness Solutions, on Instagram, Boresha Africa Agribusiness, on Twitter, Boresha Africa Agribusiness, and on LinkedIn, Boresha Africa Agribusiness.